Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to see time spent on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on your activity. Here, you'll see various activity options. Look for time spent and tap on it. You'll now see a detailed breakdown of your Instagram usage. At the top, you'll see your average time spent per day. Below that, you can view a bar graph showing your daily usage for the past week. Each bar represents how much time you spent on Instagram that day. You can tap on any day to see the exact amount of time you were active on the app. This is a great way to monitor your screen time and ensure you're maintaining a healthy balance with social media. You can also set daily time limits from this screen to help manage your Instagram usage better, and that's it. You now know exactly how much time you're spending on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.